our holiday artist. Here you have another installment from Holiday Display Tips.
Welcome back to Holiday Display Tips. Tonight we're looking at C9 versus globe lights. Here I have the larger G50 globe lights. The 50 referring to the millimeter in diameter, whereas they can also often be found in G30 size. As I speak to on my blog, globe lights have been traditionally used as canopy lighting, lining patios, and doing general warm weather decorating, but it has less frequently been used in Christmas decorating as a replacement for C9 lights. Some have found it enjoyable as roofline lighting. If that's your taste, multicolored globe lights have been found in wreaths and garland as a way to spice things up, or large globe lights and be used in larger trees to save time on putting in the smaller C9 lights. You can definitely do whatever artistic vision comes to your mind. That's it for tonight.
We'll see you next time. Holiday artist. Oh, 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 oh.
That's all for this installment. We look forward